आज हम करने वाले हैं चैप्टर नंबर 16. सो बिफोर स्टार्टिंग इट, वेलकम टू माय चैनल लर्न विद मी हैज स्टडी अवे स्टडीज. सो बेटे, ऑलवेज आई यूज टू रिमाइंड यू, एक चीज़ मैं हमेशा आपको याद करवाती हूँ कि बेटे यू नीड टू सब्सक्राइब टू द चैनल, यू नीड टू लाइक द वीडियो एंड यू नीड टू कमेंट अंडर इट. बट आई थिंक सो आप फॉलो नहीं कर रहे हो, बट मे भी बहुत सारे बच्चे जो है फॉलो कर भी रहे हैं. एंड थैंक्स फॉर फॉलोइंग द इंस्ट्रक्शंस. एंड नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट रीडिंग द चैप्टर विदाउट वेस्टिंग द टाइम. तो चैप्टर नंबर 16, इमर्जेंस ऑफ इंडिपेंडेंट स्टेट्स. सो हमने लास्ट चैप्टर में पढ़ा था कि मुगल एम्पायर जब डिक्लाइन हुआ, औरंगजेब ने जब रूल करना स्टार्ट किया था, 20 ईयर्स के लिए औरंगजेब ने रूल किया था, तो उस टाइम पे जो गवर्नर थे वो अपनी 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 इंडिपेंडेंट स्टेट्स जो थे इस्टेब्लिश करने लग गए थे. तो आज हम उन्हीं इंडिपेंडेंट स्टेट की बात करने वाले हैं. सो ये तो मैप है, तो हम मैप को डिस्कस नहीं करेंगे बिकॉज इट विल बी नॉट टेस्टेड. सो हम आगे रीडिंग पर्पस स्टार्ट करते हैं. Yes, the Mughal Empire had united the whole country into one single unit. The death of Emperor Aurangzeb led to the steady decline of Mughal Empire. Gradually, it lost its glory. The empire became limited to only a few square kilometers around Delhi. In 1803, the British army occupied Delhi. The Mughal Empire became a more mere prisoner. The war of succession had become a traditional among the Mughals. The deteriorated the political and the financial condition of the empire. Many local and regional forces started emerging in India. In the 18th century, large number of independent and semi-independent power became come to the front like Bengal, Awadh, Hyderabad, Mysore and Maratha kingdoms. The British had to overcome these powers to establish their empire in India. Some of these states had came into existence because the breaking away of governor of the provinces from the Mughal Empire. Some of other states come into power because the rewards of local chief and zamindar, but unfortunately they were not able to improve the economic condition of their states. So now we are going to discuss about the first independent state, that is Bengal. Second will be Awadh. Third will be Hyderabad. Fourth will be Sikh, and the fifth one is Mysore. No, fifth one will be Maratha, sixth one will be Rajput, and the last one is Mysore. Bengal. Murshid Quli Khan took advantage of the weak central authority and took over the control of Bengal, where he had been appointed as a Subedar and Diwan. He became the governor of the province of Bengal only in 1770 CE and established internal and external priests there. He organized the revenue system and gave loans to the poor cultivators. He granted equal opportunities to the Hindus and Muslims in the appointment to high official posts. After the death of Murshid Quli Khan, Shajauddin and Ali Wajid Khan became the Nawabs of Bengal. Subsequently, all three Nawabs of Bengal realized the importance of trade and thus provided all facilities to local and foreign merchants. They built roads, thanas, etc., and then even forced the officials of East India Company to obey the rules and to pay the land and to pay obey the laws of the land and pay the same customs duty as was paid by the local merchants. Do you know the Nawabs of Bengal were short-sighted and failure to see the increasing threats of East India Company? So, as they were ignorant of destruction caused by Western trading companies in Africa, parts of Asia and South America. Next is Awadh. Awadh, Sardar Khan laid the foundational of a kingdom in the province of Awadh. When the Mughal Emperor Muhammad Shah appointed him as the governor of Awadh in 1722 CE, he controlled the opposition by the zamindars and reformed the revenue system to protect the peasants from the zamindars. He established an efficient administration and a well-paid, well-trained, and well-armed army. Sadat Khan's nephew Safdar Jung succeeded him in 1739 CE. He also became a wazir at a Mughal court. He established peace, which led to development and prosperity of Awadh. It also helped in growth of Lucknowi culture around the Awadh court. Hyderabad. The state of Hyderabad was founded by Zaim Nizam ul Mulk Asaf Jah in 1724 CE. He was a powerful noble under the Mughal emperor. Farrukh Siyar, he was made the Viceroy of Deccan to suppress the opposition and to establish an efficient administration. In 1720, wait, let me set it. Yes, in 1720 CE, he became a wazir of Emperor Muhammad Khan. He tries to improve the administration, but was disgusted with the corruption and fickle mindedness of the emperor. He decided to go back to Deccan and laid the foundation of Hyderabad state, but never openly declared the independence from the Mughal ruler. He suppressed the rewards of Zamindar and put an end to corruption in the revenue system. But after his death in 1748 CE, disturbance started in Hyderabad again. The states of Bengal, Awadh and Hyderabad never openly asserted their independence. Even though they had established independent kingdoms, they continued to please the emperor by sending tributaries or by helping him in the time of need. But there were other states that openly asserted their independence from the Mughal Empire. They were the Sikh, the Marathas, and the Rajputs. Next topic is Sikh. Guru Nanak was the first Guru of Sikh. Sikhism was a religious reform movement of Guru Gobind Singh, the 10th Guru, transformed the Sikh into powerful political and military force. He fought many wars against Aurangzeb. After the demise of Guru Gobind Singh, the instruction of Guruship came to end. The leadership of Sikh passed into the hands of trusted disciple. Banda Bahadur, he tries to unite the peasants and lower the caste wage in an unequal war against Mughal army but failed. The upper caste in Punjab were against him and hence joined his opponents. The plunder. Wait, let me settle it. Yes. The plunder caused by invasion of Nadir Shah and Ahmed Shah Abdali gave an opportunity to Sikh to rise once again. They looted the fortified their army to establish a Sikh state. They took over Punjab and Jammu. Do you know Maharaja Ranjit Singh acquired the world famous Noho-e-Noor diamond and brought it back to India, which had been taken away by Nadir Shah. बेटा ये वाला आपको आएगा डू बॉक्स पक्का आएगा ये ठीक है वेरी 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 इंपॉर्टेंट पेज नंबर 133 डू यू नो बॉक्स वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एट द एंड ऑफ 18th century at the end of 18th century Ranjit Singh rose to power ये महाराजा Ranjit Singh okay rose to power. He was born leader and a brave soldier and an able administrator. He captured all in Amritsar. He brought all Sikh chiefs under his control and established the kingdom in Punjab. He conquered Kashmir, Peshawar and Multan. His army was well equipped and disciplined. It comprised of Sikh Guru Parakhas, Biharis, Odias, Pathans, Dogras and Punjabi Muslims. He also manufactured canals. Ranjit Singh used the political powers for the benefit of all the communities as he was tolerant toward other religions. जो Ranjit Singh थे वो tolerant थे मतलब वो tolerate कर सकते थे दूसरे religions को जैसे कि औरंगजेब नहीं कर सकता था. वैसे तो मैं माफी चाहती हूँ कि मैंने औरंगजेब को और महाराजा रंजीत सिंह को कंपेयर किया दोनों से. महाराजा रंजीत सिंह बहुत ही होशियार बहुत ही समझदार रूलर थे बहुत अच्छे एंड कैपेबल रूलर थे whereas औरंगजेब was not a capable ruler. He was a dumb ruler basically. His most trusted ministers were Fakir Uzzuddin and finance minister was Diwan Dinanath. He was a clever diplomat. When the British took over the control of Sikh state in east of Satluj, he kept quiet and realized their superior military strength in the airway. In this way, he saved his kingdom from them for the short time. After his death, the British conquered his kingdom. Next is Marathas. मराठास में आते हैं शिवाजी. शिवाजी की बात करते हैं मराठा में ठीक है. ये थे शिवाजी. शिवाजी चैलेंज थे बेटे मैं पेंसिल नहीं रख रही हूँ. आई एम जस्ट रीडिंग इट. शिवाजी चैलेंज द पावरफुल एम्पायर ऑफ मुगल ड्यूरिंग द रीजन ऑफ औरंगजेब एंड laid the foundation of Maratha state. The brilliant Maratha commanders and statesmen filled the vacuum created by disintegrating Mughal authority. They became a major political power in India and succeeded in capturing Delhi in 1760. But they failed to replace the Mughal empire because of lack of unity and organized programs. But their constant wars destroyed the Mughal empire. Now I am reading from here. Shivaji was an able administrator and a military commander. His mother Jijabai instilled patriotism in him. He captured the forts of Toruna and Purandar and fought many battles against Bijapur and Vikroi of Deccan. You have read that Aurangzeb had sent Jai Singh to pursue Shivaji to meet the Mughal emperor, but was tricked and was imprisoned. He managed to run away from prison along with son Sambhaji, hidden in fruit basket. Aurangzeb had to accept Shivaji as a king and grant him a Jahangir of Berar. Shivaji established the Hindu state and took over the title of Chhatrapati. A civil war started between Shahu and grandson of Shivaji and his aunt Tarabai that divided the loyalty of Maratha Sardars. The Maratha government underwent a change under Balaji Vishwanath, the Peshwa of King Shahu, and the period of Peshwa dominated began. The Maratha power spread over Malwa, Gujarat and parts of Budelkhand. Nazim-ul-Mulk of Deccan was forced to grant the Chauth and Swadesh Mukhi to the Marathas. This Maratha made repeated attacks on Bengal and forced the Nawabs of Bengal to give them Odisha, that is Odisha now. The main source of state income was tax like Chauth and Swadesh Mukhi. Chauth was one-fourth of land revenue. It was collected in return of protection provided to the territories which were not under the direct control of the king. Swadesh Mukhi was additional tax of 10% which Shivaji demanded as he was the chief of the Maharashtra. Chief means head. The Maratha army was strengthened by including European-style infantry and artillery. An efficient team of officers ran the administration under the Maratha king. There were 280 forts of Shivaji possession. Havaldar controlled each forts and the surrounding territory. The army was also divided into different grades. Shivaji army was well known for guerrilla warfare, which situated the mountainous region. A small band of soldiers could easily attack the large enemy force and then run away to the safety. Next topic is Rajputs. Many Rajputs tried to establish independent states after the death of Aurangzeb. Ajit Singh, the king of Mirwar, Jodhpur, the Savai Jai Singh, the king of Ambed, that is Jaipur, took advantage of war succession among the emperor's son and declared their independence from the Mughal Empire. They were fed of religious and administration intolerance and of under Aurangzeb. Jai Singh had a governorship of Surat and Agra, and Ajit Singh was governor of Ajmer and Gujarat. The king of Mewar had always opposed the Mughals. Now he had got an opportunity to consolidate power. Unfortunately, the Rajput states were unable to unite due to mutual rivalry. The surrounding territories diminished due to the increased powers of Jats, Maratha, and local rulers. Mysore. The state of Mysore rose to prominence in South India after the decline of Mughal power. Earlier, it was ruled by Chikka Krishna Raj, but the real power was in the hands of Wodeyar brothers, Devraja and Nataraja. Hyder Ali became the ruler of Mysore and carried out successful wars against Maratha and Nizam. After Hyder Ali, his son Tipu Sultan became the ruler. He introduced many reforms in the army, trade, coinage, weights and measurements, etc. He encouraged hard work and protected the farmers. He was also an able warrior and general. He organized his army on European army on European style. He was a Muslim but was tolerant toward other religions. टीपू सुल्तान was a staunch enemy of British and staunch मतलब पक्का enemy, पक्का दुश्मन था किसका, ब्रिटिश का. टीपू सुल्तान दूसरे रिलीजन्स को ठीक करते वक्त मतलब टॉलरेट कर सकता था तो वो भी टॉलरेट कर लेता था, बट ब्रिटिश के खिलाफ बहुत था वो. Until his death, he sent his ambassadors to France, Turkey, Iran and Arab states to seek, कहाँ थे हम, seek help against the British. He tried to modernize their naval power to strengthen his power and develop external trade. On the whole, India of 18th century lacked social unity due to feudal division of economic disparity. The condition of the women was not good. The backwardness of agriculture, the industry at the hand of foreign companies destroyed the internal and external trade. Culture, architecture, painting, music and literature also suffered. Urdu emerged as lingua franca of high class. The Hindus received primary education at the temples and Muslims at the mosques. So now I'm going to do keywords, क्योंकि यहाँ पे तो मैप ही है, सो मैप डिस्कस नहीं करेंगे. कीवर्ड्स देख लो, बस पढ़नी है. एम्बेसडर्स कौन होते हैं, जो जिन लोगों को भेजा जाता है ताकि वो रिप्रेजेंट कर सकें फॉरेन ट्रेड में, फॉरेन कंट्री में. फिकल माइंडेड पर्सन या फिर थिंग जो कि फर्म नहीं है और स्टीडी नहीं है बिहेवियर, ओपिनियन या लॉयल्टी में. गुरिल्ला वॉरफेयर, मेकिंग सरप्राइज अटैक्स ऑन एनिमी इन स्मॉल ग्रुप्स स्पेशली इन माउंटेनियस रीजन्स. जागीर, लैंड ग्रांटेड बाय किंग. जागीर इज लैंड ग्रांटेड बाय किंग. लिंगुआ फ्रैंका, लैंग्वेज अडॉप्टेड बाय एज अ कॉमन लैंग्वेज बिटवीन स्पीकर्स हुज नेटिव लैंग्वेज आर डिफरेंट. Tributes, an act of statement to show gratitude, respect or administration. Admiration. Yes, now back exercise. First का आंसर है Sikhism owes its origin to the teaching of Guru Nanak. Guru Nanak. B part. Who took over the title of Chhatrapati Shivaji? The Sikh revolted against the Mughal under the leadership of Banda Bahadur. Which Nawab of Awadh was appointed the Wazir of Mughal Emperor Safad? It's Safdar Jung. ठीक है. Tipu Sultan did not send his ambassadors to one of these countries. Spain. Swai Jai was the king of Amber in Jaipur. Amber या Jaipur कुछ भी लिख सकते हो इनमें से, Amber या फिर Jaipur, because दोनों same है. During the rule of Cheka Krishna Raj, the real power was in hands of Mudiyar brothers. Shivaji also collected tax such as Chauth and Shauth नहीं है, maybe it's Chauth, C आएगा, ठीक है. And Sudesh Mukhi from areas not under his control. Urdu emerged the lingua franca of high classes. Sadat Khan was the foundational of the kingdom of Awadh. Mysore, Tipu Sultan. Bengal, Shuja-ud-Din. Hyderabad, Nazim-ul-Mulk Asaf Jah. Maratha, Shahu. Sikh, Guru Gobind Singh. So bete, if you want DE part, do comment fast, okay? And now I'm going to meet you in the next video with chapter number 17, that is major religions, okay? So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment and like the video. Bye bye.